lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you.
Hey there everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super quick and easy tutorial on how to contour using just a few products and trying to use just what we have, etc. And I know cream contour might sound like it's a little bit harsh or complicated, but it's actually super easy and more natural than actually powder contour. So I'm going to start off by applying it right in the hollows of my cheekbones, and I'm using this palette. It's very generic, doesn't have any brand, and what I did here is pretty much I work with this slanted brush, and this brush is kind of like a weird shape, but it does work perfect for contouring and etc.
So we can get high because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you.
Okay, so now that I applied my contour, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the light shade in the palette, and I'm kind of mixing the shades and etc, kind of finding the right shade for my skin color, and I'm going to apply that right underneath my eyes, and also in the middle of my forehead, and also a little bit in my nose.
Never let you know. Give me your love.
Okay guys, so the key here is to blend upwards. Remember, that is very important because we do want our contour to look sharp and kind of like define our cheekbones, and if we do blend it downwards, it's gonna create like a very dirty effect, and that's not what we want. It's kind of like a muddy dirt. You guys got me, right? And then I just went ahead and blended the forehead and temple area, and then I just move ahead and also blended with this brush. It's very important that you guys kind of switch up with the brushes that you think are going to blend better, because we don't have like the right technique. You guys can do it however you want, but it's very important to focus on the brushes you are going to use, and also try to use like good products that you know they're not gonna crease. And I'm using this generic palette because it works for me. I know it's not gonna last forever, like the whole entire day, but I still really like it, and if you set it really well with a like a contour powder, it's gonna look fantastic.
We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you.
And there you guys can see kind of like a before and after. You guys can tell that my cheekbones are a lot more defined. And here I'm just pretty much applying more in my under eye area and kind of blending with this brush, and kind of like just moving along to blend everything very well.
Give me your love, give me love, never let you know. Give me your love. Give me your love. Never let you know. We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive.
Okay, so I'm the worst at contouring my nose. It's not something I really like to do, honestly, but I tried my best, and I figured that the best technique and what works for me is using my finger right to kind of like highlight the bridge of my nose, and kind of like do the same thing with the other color, which it will be a contour shade.
Never let you know. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love.
Okay, Okay, so what is left to do now is pretty much just blend everything very well and kind of just like I said before, work with the brushes you guys have and kind of like find the right technique for you. Okay, so now I'm just taking this banana powder and I'm applying that wherever I apply the highlight shade, and I'm just kind of like trying to bake a little bit with this translucent powder. Not really, I don't really like the baking technique, it doesn't really work for me, but you guys get the point. Kind of like just apply it wherever you apply your highlighter shade, so it creates like a nice white cast and kind of like a very defined look. Remember guys, it's very important that you guys set your whole entire face with pressed powder or just any powder that you guys have, because we do want our contour to stay for a very long time on our face and also prevent it from creasing and all that. So yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can recreate it. And yeah, remember to like this video and share with your friends and comment down below for any suggestions and further looks. Bye bye.
Clouds never let you go.